ASUS commercial laptop. So it's different from the VivoBook or ZenBook. So this is pure for commercial. And right now, actually we have all B series. It's for business owner, for the enterprise, school, government. So we have one product line. But now we are also aiming the different segment, P series. So for those small and medium office and also other end users. So we have a different segment. So you know we have different target audience as well. Okay? Yeah, so what's the difference between from the P series and B series? So actually, like Francis said, we are not just selling you a product, a device. We want to provide a whole complete solution in our for all our customers. Yeah, so not just the product. So actually, P series we are target for prosumer. So what is prosumer? Is actually for those end user. They will go to the retail, they will go to the store online to purchase their device for the company, for the office, for their like work usage. So yeah, so that's what we call prosumers. So we actually want to fulfill those end users who will do this for their office, but maybe they don't have really like a big scale or the professional IT. So actually we want to provide a whole solution for them. So we have the product with a really good efficiency and product and make the employees can work productivity and also with the high security and service. So right now we have a full complete lineup for the ExpertBook P series, which we will introduce from P1, P3, P5 later. So you can see it's like essential, advanced, and also our high-end flagship models. Yeah. Okay, so here our target audience, we say, we actually want all our end users enjoy all the benefit from ASUS commercial. So we will distinguish the end users, but we provide we will provide the same package of our service, and our product, and our support. So you can see from here, yeah, from security. Actually, we will not sacrifice the security. Like Francis said, actually we will have, for example, we have all the advanced identity verifications, and also we have the dedicated TPM, the Trust Platform module. So we know some of the end user didn't really mind if they have the high security or not. But our target audience is for those business, office, or those end user we will use in the work. So of course we highlight the security. We make sure they can work and using a laptop in the with a high security. Yeah. So of course, along with the fingerprint sensors and also the webcam privacy shield, is all default will be in our laptop. Yeah, and not to mention the AI Expert Meet is actually all together with our P series. So no matter it's from our essential products, P1, or of course our flagship model P5, all the P series, they have the AI Expert Meet. So while we just demonstrate to all of you. Yeah, so now let me just jump into the products, our P1. So elevate your efficiencies anywhere. So actually for our products, we have the same key message. We want the end user, they can use it everywhere with high portability. So P1 actually just from the 1.4 kilo for 14 inch. So, and then have 8 hours battery life, so it can work every day, no matter where you are. And of course, all the specifications, the performance, and also the commercial grade of the security. That is all the same feature from P1 to P5. Yeah, so P1, of course, ASUS knows our end user will need a full and complete I/O port, so you don't have to buy the extra dongles because you might work anywhere, a coffee shop and in the like open space, and even you work in the home. So you will just need the laptop and you can work everywhere. Yeah, so this is the P1. So we having the Intel Core processors, and of course we have DDR5 up to 64 RAM, and also we have dual SSD, like Francis said, up to 1 terabyte for P1. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the P1, our essential products. But of course, again, even as essential products, all the feature, all the durability, military grade, we don't sacrifice. So it's actually the same on the P1. And then next is P3, and we call it PM3, which they are using the AMD processors. Yeah, so this is one of our highlight this year, is the AMD AI PC, Copilot Plus PC. So it's not only with the AMD AI processors, it's also with the 50 NPU TOPS. Yeah, so also with our Copilot's Expert Meet. Yeah. Yeah, so what's more is actually our PM3, they have the bigger battery, 70 watts with the up to the 18.5 hours battery life. So of course you can use one day. If you want to overwork, of course our PC can support you. And not to mention the weight. So like I said, our message is also the same. So PM3 is actually the even better and a lightweight product, only starting from 1.34 kilo. Yeah, even with a bigger battery. Yeah, so Ryzen AI 300 series is the processor we are using for these models. And of course, it really elevates the performance of our ExpertBook series. Yeah, so this is the spec, but like I said, spec is the last thing we can do. But of course, we will give you the best spec we can have. So it's DDR5 SOD up to the 64, and for dual SSD, we can use up to 3 terabyte. Yeah, so this is much improved comparing to the P1. So it's different segment, for different users. Yeah, so this is the whole picture of our products. But of course, some of the features you already know from Francis, like the service, like the durability, like the security. So I'll just leave it for your picture, and then we can move to the last flagship products. Yeah, so lastly is our flagship product P5. So this product actually we launched it in last Q4, like last December or November. Yeah, but it's still one of our hero models, P5, because it's the first Copilot Plus PC among the brands, not just ASUS. It's actually from all the brands. So because using the Lunar Lake CPU, the Intel Core Ultra Lunar Lake. Yeah, so you can see we highlighted 3 times performance, and also it's with the 120 TOPS, and then we can up to the 32 RAM, and also the 3 terabyte as well for the storage. Yeah, but also for the I/O port, we don't want to sacrifice the I/O port for you. Yeah, so we keep it. Yeah, so of course, this page is actually for all products, not just for the P5. So ASUS commercial product also caring for the environment. So of course, we feature with around 30% the post-consumer recycle, and also around 25% the post-industrial recycled material. So which all the evidence, and we can support, we caring about environment, and we are passing all the certificates for the environment, like EP, ECO, and also the E-Star, for example. Yeah. Yeah, so this is our hero product. So after my speech, you know we have the full portfolio for our Expert Book P series. So this is what we will highlight for the not just for today, also for the launch event on October 1st. So this is our new product line for the ASUS Expert Book. Yeah, so thank you for being here today. I'm really excited to share all the product information to you. And now I will pass the floor to our FAE